We have today is intellectual property rights. If you guys remember, couple of weeks back we did have one session where online you guys were attending a session where we had asked you to apply the same, right, and attended, and which was on IPR, right? If you remember, I did tell you one or two points regarding IPR. Do you know what this term means, or have you heard it any time? Any idea about what intellectual property rights is? No? Never heard about it? कभी भी नहीं सुना? Going a little backward again about IPR. All of you know about the brands Adidas, Nike. We all are aware about the same. We've heard about McDonald's, right? KFC, all the big brands that now are coming. And whenever specifically any foreign brand, it comes within your city, right? We rush there that okay, a new brand has come up. That's what we precisely do. All that is inclusive and has a relation with IPR, right? Before defining the term, another one point, have any one of you ever thought of creating anything or having your own business? Never thought about it? Do you? Never? कभी भी नहीं सोचा अपना ब्रांड क्रिएट करना है, अपना नाम क्रिएट करना है? Never thought about it? Few of you. So, linked to that point, there are certain things that you have to keep in mind. I'm not saying that everyone has to think for creating a brand, but many times certain points might click where you guys might have in life an idea that you want to achieve. You've heard about Chaiwala, right? You've heard about Shark Tank. देखते हो Shark Tank? There is not just one Shark Tank. There are a number of entrepreneurs who are supporting people who have created or built up their brands. जिनके पास आइडिया था, चाहे वो छोटे लेवल का हो. अब recently I saw that there is this one company which is creating जो पैकिंग आती है ना आपके प्रोडक्ट्स के ऊपर, थर्मोकॉल की आती है. So what they are doing is they have initiated a sort of a material जो बनता है, जो राइस में से निकलता है ना, जब चावल उगाते हैं उसमें से जो फूस निकल जाता है, स्टबल बर्निंग होती है ना, तो वो जो बाकी पीछे रह जाता है उसमें से they are creating the packaging जो आप लोगों के थर्मोकॉल को रिप्लेस करेगी. And what they are doing is they are purchasing it from farmers. उनसे खरीदते हैं. They are paying the farmers that all stuff that is remained after rice is taken out, और उसको ferment करके they have started creating a fiber or a type of packing which is now used for a number of things. You can pack anything within that, right? So it is a sort of a substitute for that thermocol. Meaning thereby it's not just one bigger companies which are creating different things. There are small people, there is a single man, or there are small companies also who are doing one or the other thing, creating things and innovating things, right? So when you are innovating मतलब अब यहाँ पे आप लोगों को प्रॉब्लम मेजरली क्या लग रही है इस टाइम पे? गर्मी, राइट? गर्मी है. So one of you comes up with an idea कि फैन के साथ let's do one thing कि we add water or any other substance which is going to give us more cooler air, right? That can be anyone. जरूरी नहीं है that it has to be an engineer or any specific person who's working in that field. It can be any one of you comes up with an idea. So now the question is, idea is yours, fine, you have developed it, and now that idea is useful for people outside. ठीक है, आपने आइडिया बनाया, आपका आइडिया था छोटा, रोज वाली टाइम पे भी आप कुछ होता होगा घर में कि आपने आइडिया निकाला, आपके दिमाग में कोई चीज आई, आपने किसी को बताया कि दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू डू, ठीक है, आपने बोला मैं बीए कर रहा हूँ, कुछ भी है, उसमें सिंपल चीजें आई, किसी और ने आपका आइडिया पिक करके दे यूटिलाइज इट, इट हर्ट्स यू, it pinches you. What are you going to do? You are going to complain to that person that this was my idea, you are taking it up, and which means that it is a problemsome scenario. You ask that person कि जो भी इसका credit profit खा रहे हो मुझे दो, यही कहोगे simply. That's what intellectual property rights is all about. You innovate anything, you have an idea, and for that creation that you do, you protect it through intellectual property, right? You guys have enrolled for law, right? Within that you are studying, so far you guys have studied consumer protection laws, you are studying contract law. This is so far what you have read. Jurisprudence is also now there, supposedly. No, not jurisprudence. Okay, so as of now you are studying contract and constitution. Similar to something of your contract, I'll give you an idea. What is a contract? It's an agreement between two people. Be little participative. Contract तो पता है सबको क्या होता है कि नहीं समझ में आया? हाँ? That is enforceable by law, right? So now you develop. Just take for example, you develop a technique that which is attached to this fan. And then you say that now this fan is going to give us more cooler air, and but now you know this thing that you yourself cannot sell this idea. You need certain people, right? Or you need a company to manufacture that and utilize it elsewhere, right? So now with that company, you being the person who has created that idea, you make a contract. What contract you are going to create? What are you going to write in that contract? किसी के साथ भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, क्या लिखोगे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में? कि वो बेच ले उसको? बताओ, आपस में भी whenever you are doing something for another person, what do you ask for? हाँ जी, कुछ भी नहीं लिखोगे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में. You are going to ask for profits. You are going to ask for credits. That if you are selling that product, my name should be there. That I have created this product. I have developed this product. That all is what? IPR है. लेकिन that is your product, your name should be there, that is your property. IPR is separate, but that is your property. Property का meaning क्या है? In normal general terms, what do you mean by property? Something that belongs to you. That's what property is going to be. So if you go by the name intellectual property rights, that's what it is suggesting. Intellectual means you have created an idea where a fan is going to blow cold air. ठंडी हवा आएगी पंखे में से, कहाँ से निकला आइडिया? दिमाग से निकला. That is your intellect. That is what intellectual mean, right? Property. Now the idea that you have generated, the idea that you've come up with, that's what is your property. And rights simply means that whatever you have generated, created with your own mind, with your own brain, that's what you have a right over it. Understood? This is what is the topic for today for our discussion, that we are discussing about intellectual property rights. And the motto of telling you about IPRs is that it's not just for the sake of a lecture that we are here hearing about IPRs. In your daily life, at every point you are dealing with IPRs. The watches that you people are wearing, it has n number of intellectual property rights in that. the phones that all of you are carrying, there are n number of patents, right? किसी भी कंपनी का फोन है जो आप लोगों के पास है, हजारों पेटेंट है उसके अंदर, हजारों लड़ाइयां हैं लोगों की आपस में उस प्रोडक्ट को लेके। आपका फोन कहीं पे गिरता है, when you drop your phone, does it break? Does it break? If by mistake, anyhow you are dropping your phone, does it break? Yes? एकदम से टूट जाता है? नहीं टूटता। उसके ऊपर ग्लास लगा हुआ है, जो शीशा लगा हुआ है, what do you call it? That is a Gorilla Glass. You don't do GK at all. The name of that glass, which is now available on each and every of your mobile phone, that's known as a Gorilla Glass. And the reason is that one company developed it, right? And they developed it because the reason was the smartphones that you are carrying. आप जब भी उसको कहीं पे गलती से गिर भी जाता था, और even if it was in your pockets, the glass used to break, टूट जाता था. So then they developed, they did R&D over it, उन्होंने उस पर research करी, and they said that what is the solution that we have to protect the phones. So a company comes up with an idea that we have a Gorilla Glass, right, which is not instantly breaking on falling down, right? These are certain ideas that they've developed. Now what happened was, this is only with just one company. It could be that Samsung developed it, it could be that iPhone, Apple developed it, it could be MI developed it, right? Any of the phones that you are using, any one company has developed this glass. Now what about the rest of the companies? Can they use this glass on their phones? The answer is no. Because if, for example, Apple was the one who has developed this Gorilla Glass, जिन्होंने आपके ये जो फोन है उसके ऊपर जो शीशा लगा हुआ है, जो स्क्रीन है, वो खराब ना हो, उसको डेवलप करा, वो एप्पल ने किया, ठीक है? आईफोन वालों ने डेवलप किया, उन्होंने अपने फोन्स पे लगाना शुरू कर दिया. सो नाउ इज इट पॉसिबल कि सैमसंग है, एमआई है, और कौन कौन से फोन है, आई डोंट नो, ओप्पो, वीवो, व्हाटएवर इट इज, दे वर नॉट अलाउड टू यूज दिस ग्लास ऑन देयर फोन्स. द रीजन वाज इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी. अब क्या किया एप्पल ने ये ग्लास डेवलप किया, उन्होंने अपने फोन पे लगाना शुरू कर दिया. बाकी कंपनियों ने देखा, लोगों ने क्या किया, लोगों ने कहा एप्पल का फोन खरीदो. द रीजन इज कि देयर फोन्स हैव मोर प्रोटेक्शन. गिरता है तो ग्लास टूटता नहीं है, स्क्रीन इज मच मोर इजी टू यूज, राइट? So now other companies, what they did was, they went, they said, please have a contract with us, give us your technology so that we can use your product. The reason, intellectual property rights. Why? Because when this company generated or developed this glass, what they did was, there is a term called patent. सुना है? Patent सुने? What are patents? There are thousands of patents in your smartphones. The phones that you are carrying, the smart watches which you are using, they are having thousands of patents within them. एक कंपनी डेवलप करती है, उसको पेटेंट कराती है. पेटेंट क्या कहता है? इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी का ही पार्ट है. वो क्या कहता है? अगर आपने कोई नई चीज डेवलप करी, if you develop something, you've come up with something new, you can get it protected in your name, and if someone wants to use it, they have to take your permission to use the same, right? That is what basically a patent is, and patent stays with a person for 20 years. So if you are having an intellectual property in names of patent with you for a technology, you have it for 20 years, and for that 20 years अगर किसी ने use करनी है, उनको पहले आपकी परमिशन लेनी पड़ेगी. अगर आपकी परमिशन के बिना वो यूज करते हैं, आप उनके ऊपर केस कर सकते हो और उनको बंद करा सकते हो कि आप यूज नहीं कर सकते, और उनका जितना मटेरियल उसको भी डिस्ट्रॉय करा सकते हो, राइट? दिस इज ऑल व्हाट इज within your intellectual property that it talks about. So coming back to the daily products that you are using, whether it is your shoes, whether it is the shirts that you are using, whether it is the watches, or even the food joints where you are going, the names, the brands, Zomato, Swiggy. You've heard about it? Again, within that there is intellectual property. Every step, wherever you are going, you have an intellectual property attached to it. आप ये नहीं बोल सकते कि हमारा intellectual property के साथ कोई लेना देना नहीं है, because at every point, at every step, you have intellectual property with you. In the shape of even the books that you have, there is intellectual property within that. आगे बढ़ना slide. आगे बढ़ना So this is what is basically needed or is required for when we are talking about intellectual property. That is creation, innovation, commercialization, protection and enforcement. When we are talking about intellectual property rights, these are the whole things that are attached to it. Creation, you've created something. Created में क्या क्या आएगा? Created में जो आप अपने phone पे photographs click करते हो, तो every photograph that you have in your phone, that is your creation, and it can be and is protected by intellectual property. Then there is innovation. Innovation क्या है? Fan है, गर्म हवा फेंक रहा है. आपने इसमें पानी का कुछ लगा दिया या मोटर कुछ ऐसी लगा दी. Now it is giving you cooler air. You've innovated. You've come up with an idea that for a simple single thing you have something new. That is what is innovation. Commercialization, that now you have this fan with you जो ठंडी हवा फेंक रहा है. Now you want to earn money with it. You commercialize it. Commercialize it means you give it to people कि इसको बनाओ और इसको बेचो. ठीक है? That's what all is there. Then protection comes up for all of this. When you have created something, you've innovated, you have commercialized it. तो commercialize कर दिया, अब लोग आपको आपकी बिना permission के ना use करें, then you're going to have protection for it, and all that is covered within your intellectual property for that purposes. Enforcement is where if a person is using your creation without your permission, then you can sue him, you can go to the police and ask the police to seize that product. मतलब कि आप पुलिस के पास जाके कंप्लेंट लिखवा सकते हो और पुलिस आपके साथ जाएगी, वो सारे के सारे जितने भी प्रोडक्ट हैं उन सारों को जब्त कर लेगी और डिस्ट्रॉय कर देगी. पुलिस वाले आग भी लगा देते हैं जितने इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी के प्रोडक्ट्स रिलेटेड है जब भी कोई कंप्लेंट आती है. सर आगे बढ़ो. These are the types of intellectual property that we have in hand. It talks about patents. Patents we all know that we are carrying in our hands. Smartphones, हर के पास patents है. Patent का मतलब सिंपल ये होता है that when you have innovated something, that is what is all is covered within patents, right? Trademarks. Small examples of trademarks. Trademarks mean, trade means business. Marks means from where your business is recognized from others. कैसे? Example. If you see somewhere a big yellow M, what does it mean? McDonald's? कैसे पता है? M से. है ना? If it is written McDonald's, can you recognize it? No. From afar away, if you see somewhere written M, you immediately know that you are going to get burgers, fries, Happy Meal. So that M represents trademarks. किसी को पता है उस M का meaning क्या है? Do you know why do they write that M and what does it signify? M का मतलब क्या है? What does that M mean? No one? ये कह दो मैं M से McDonald's हो गया? M, हाँ? Initials of McDonald's? No. Have you ever seen the shape of that M? No, that M represents saggy breast of a female, of a feeding mother. If you twist it otherwise, you would see that when a female, a mother is feeding child, that's how usually the breast, saggy breast represent. That is what is the meaning of that M. They twisted it and they kept it as M, but that's what that M means. And their motto, their logo of McDonald's was to feed people. you usually get cheaper food, instant, easy food at McDonald's, right? So that is what their purpose was, and that is why they had specifically made that M, which representing that being a mother, you are feeding a person who's hungry, who needs immediate food. That is what was meant for. And every logo that you see, you've heard about the automobile company Honda? You've seen their logo? Or Hyundai, I don't know Honda logo. You've seen Hyundai, I'm a little confused with their logo. Do you know what does it represent? You just see it as an H, but it is not an H. It is two people shaking hands. So every company has a logo, has a mark of its own, which has its own representation where they show that this is what we mean. Fine? That is what is meant by a trademark. That you are excluding yourself, you are representing yourself from others, where people from your logo, from your mark only get to know about you. Right? So that's what, so now whenever you go anywhere, you've heard about Gucci, Prada, Louis Vuitton, you've seen their first copies, first prints. We daily see them. Right? So that is a violation of their trademarks. And if anyone who's selling those products, what does the law mean? Now we know that there are brands, right? And these brands, they have those logos, those trademarks to outstand themselves, right? For the purposes of what? So if you remember in the earlier slide, we saw enforcement and commercialization. So enforcement there means if you are caught with that first copies, police can arrest you and seize all of the products that are in your possession and destroy them. That is what is meant by possession. How many of you belong to Ludhiana? Okay. Ludhiana is an industrial town, right? We are famous for mostly industry. What sort of industry? Hosiery. Most of the people here, what are they manufacturing? हॉजरी में क्या मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहे हैं? What are we manufacturing? T-shirts, jackets, sweatshirts, or whatever, right? With fake logos. And if you go, have you heard about a car market or Bada Bazaar, Chauda Bazaar, whatever, Chauda Bazaar? Heard about it? Yes. You go there, you find any brand, you name it, and it is there. Yes? That all products, they are fake, they are against trademark law, and if a person is found in its possession, he or she may even go to jail. So in Ludhiana courts, we do have n number of industrialists facing these actions where whole of their products were seized by the police, right? And were then destroyed. वो लोग आग लगा देते हैं उनके products को, जितना मर्जी माल पड़ा हो. So there you are doing what? You are violating intellectual property rights of the company who's having that trademark with them. Right? Then another is copyrights and related rights. Okay, now coming to copyrights. Copyrights or related rights. हम लोग movies देखते हैं. We see n number of movies. And latest, abhi there was this news, we won some few Oscars as well. सुना है नहीं सुना? You heard? कौन सा गाना था? RR की मूवी का गाना था? है ना? क्या ऑस्कर मिला है? Best song? No, best original song. Now what does this original mean? copyrights, related rights, originality, where you have created something. Why didn't they give this Oscar to any other song? It might be lacking some originality. हो सकता है, possibility. So meaning thereby, if you are writing anything, if it is a song, जितने गाने आप लोग सुनते हो, पद्मावती मूवी देखी है सबने? उस पे क्या शोर हुआ था? There were another issues as well apart from that. Deepika Padukone's wardrobe malfunctioning thing, right? उसकी ड्रेस को जो शोर था ना कि उसकी स्किन जो है विजिबल है, so the people, राजस्थानी people objected to it कि वो कवर होना चाहिए, और बिफोर और आफ्टर वाली भी वहाँ पे आती है. So apart from that, what else was the noise behind it? Same was with Three Idiots. Have you seen Three Idiots? देखिए, उस पे भी शोर था. क्या शोर था? All of them fell within copyrighted work. Do you know who wrote Three Idiots? Chetan Bhagat. He is a writer. सात खून माफ देखी है प्रियंका चोपड़ा की? नहीं देखी? अच्छा, हमारे टाइम की मूवीज होगी ना, आप लोग नई जनरेशन आए हैं. All of these movies, they are adapted versions from novels. कौन सी मूवीज है इंग्लिश? हैरी पॉटर. हैरी पॉटर तो सबने सुनी है? Who's written Harry Potter? J.K. Rowling. बुक पढ़ी है उसकी? No, old school people, they are saying yes. हाँ, we are old school. क्या हुआ है, पढ़ी है? ये पता है ना, बुक में से ली हुई है. So when even we are talking about novels and then a movie is made out of it, that is also what is covered under your IPR. That is a subject matter of intellectual property, and copyrights is the one that becomes subject matter of that. If you are listening to any song, it has copyrights in it. If you are watching a movie, most of the movies nowadays, they are on Netflix, Amazon, पुराने प्राइम वीडियो whatever. हमारे टाइम पे अभी भी आजकल भी केबल पे there is this, वो कौन से मूवी चैनल है? स्टार मूवीज, सेट मैक्स, स्टार गोल्ड. You see movies on that channels? देखते हो घर पे? And then there are movies which go on to specifically on your Netflix. Now the latest movie शाहरुख खान की कौन सी आई थी? पठान. It is now available on Netflix. Amazon पे, whatever. So now, do you know, for releasing these movies or showcasing these movies on these channels, again your intellectual property is involved. Any person, you have Spotify? गाने किस पे सुनते हो? Spotify? YouTube? है ना? All of these guys who are showing these songs, they are first taking permissions from the authors or from the right holders who have generated these songs or these movies. If they don't do that, they get between the fights of intellectual property. A person who has created that work becomes the owner and they can sue the person with that for that purposes. Meaning thereby, whatever you guys are doing, whatever you guys are watching or seeing, everything is involving intellectual property within it. Fine? And you cannot just say that we don't deal with intellectual property in our daily lives. So, intellectual property, specifically when we are talking about copyrights is not only including the books that you are reading, the movies or the songs that you are listening, it also includes architectural works. It includes the pictures that you are clicking. Have you heard about monkey selfie? एक फोटो इंटरनेट पे बहुत वायरल होती है, that is known with monkey selfie, where a monkey, एक जैसे सर ने आपका कैमरा रखा हुआ है ना, ऐसे ही एक फोटोग्राफर ने he left his camera in a jungle. A monkey came, he took out that camera और उसने ऐसे करके ई करके अपनी फोटो क्लिक कर ली, राइट? सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन अगेन वाज टू whom this photograph belonged. The reason was this photo, when it went online, people still search for it, and I think somewhere in 2017 or 19 US की जो court है, it rejected the claim and the case related to that monkey selfie because that person, जैसे सर ने कैमरा यहाँ छोड़ दिया, अब कोई monkey या कोई शरारती तत्व आए और वो आके फोटो खींच ले, अब सर क्या कहेंगे? मेरी फोटो है, मेरा कैमरा है ना? है ना? आप यही कहोगे. But the people who are working in intellectual property, they will say no, he is not the one who has created or generated the work. It is the monkey who has created and generated the work. He took a selfie all by himself. उसने आपके अपनी ये करके फोटो खींची है, इन्होंने थोड़ी खींची. इन्होंने खींची होती फोटो तो ये कह सकते हैं कि ये मेरा कॉपीराइट है. जब फोटो ही उन्होंने नहीं खींची तो हाउ कैन ही से कि मेरी फोटो है? This was the case in US Supreme Court for 5 years. That to whom intellectual property belongs. Reason क्या है? You might be thinking कितनी funny चीज है, फोटो ही तो है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, किसी मर्जी को दे दो. No, किसी मर्जी को नहीं दे दो. You all are creating reels, you are posting it on Instagram, on Facebook. You are having all that. And if you say that I have 1 million view on my reels, I am going to get money. Who's going to get that money? The monkey or the man in whose camera the picture was? So all of this is subject matter of intellectual property. Fine. If you do any within copyrights, if you do any engraving on any stone, अगर आप किसी पत्थर के ऊपर कुछ लिखते हो, that is your intellectual property, वो आपका copyright है. Fine. So patent, trademark, copyrights. Then comes your geographical indications. अच्छा, उससे पहले बात करते हैं ट्रेड सीक्रेट की. आपको पता है ट्रेड सीक्रेट क्या होते हैं? आप लोग डेली पीते हो ट्रेड सीक्रेट. पेप्सी है और कौन है? कोका कोला. Both these companies, they are having patents. They are having, जो एक आप वो कोल्ड ड्रिंक की बोतल लेते हो ना कोक वाली, उसमें ट्रेडमार्क इन्वॉल्व है, उसमें ट्रेड सीक्रेट इन्वॉल्व है. Now how? If I give you a blank Coca-Cola bottle without any cap, without any Coca-Cola label, are you going to recognize that bottle? This is Coke bottle? Yes, you can. You don't recognize it? You recognize it. I can see and look into a bottle and say that this is a Coca-Cola bottle. The reason is that shape. If you keep two bottles similar together, the one that belongs to Coca-Cola and another one which belongs to some another brand or drink, you can outrightly from just looking at that bottle, जिसके ऊपर कोई भी लेबल नहीं लगा हुआ, कुछ भी लिखा नहीं हुआ, you can immediately say, अरे ये तो कोक की बॉटल है. वो जो कोक की बॉटल है वो ट्रेडमार्क है कोका कोला का, right? And then the drink that you drink, it has a trade secret in it. Trade secret mean that because when we are talking about patents, trademarks, not copyrights, copyrights are lifetime of a person plus 50 years after death. ठीक है? तो मैंने जो एक दो किताबें लिखी हुई हैं, जब when I die, even after my death, its copyrights they belong to me. Fine? और मेरे जो heirs हैं, my family members can claim my copyrights even 50 years after my death. But however, when we are talking about patents, trademarks, or any other GI or any other IP, ये specific time के लिए रहते हैं, approximately for 20 years, right? And you don't get protection after that. So many of the companies like Coca-Cola, they realized it that if they get a patent on their formula of Coca-Cola, what will happen after 20 years? वो क्या होता है, वो उसको बोलते हैं पब्लिक डोमेन में चला जाता है. पब्लिक डोमेन मीन्स then it becomes open for anyone to use it without your permission, to use it, to paste it, to do whatever they want to do with it. फिर उनको आपकी परमिशन की जरूरत नहीं होती. So many of the companies, they keep their secrets, they keep their innovation as trade secret और वो उसको protect नहीं करवाते. ठीक है? वो trade secret में आता है. Then geographical indications. खाने में नहीं, क्लोथिंग में। हाँ, फुलकारी प्रॉब्ली जो वर्ल्ड किससे नोन करता है, फुलकारी जहां भी आती है यू गेट टू नो अबाउट इट फ्रॉम, इट इज फ्रॉम पंजाब, राइट। और whenever anyone asks you that which is the best tea in India, कौन सी चाय सबसे अच्छी है? दार्जिलिंग टी, दार्जिलिंग टी, yes or no? You heard about दार्जिलिंग टी कि टाटा टी चाय चल जाती है, ताजमहल चलती है। ताजमहल भी जब वो बोलते हैं तो they specifically show you certain area of tea agriculture, right? Meaning thereby that is what is known by geographical indications. So if you belong to a particular area, for example in Punjab we are known by Fulkari. So if anyone is creating a similar product, right, and they are trying to name it Fulkari, अब कोई वेस्ट बंगाल में बंदा बैठा हुआ सेम काम बना रहा है और उसको बोल रहा है ये पंजाब की फुलकारी है जो मैं क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ, क्या तुम उसको बोलोगे ऑथेंटिक है? तुम जेन्युइन बोलोगे उसको? हाँ, ये तो सारे बातें क्या बोलोगे? अगर इफ यू गाइस आर गोइंग आउट ऑफ पंजाब, फॉर एग्जाम्पल समवेयर साउथ इंडिया, ठीक है, साउथ इंडिया जाते हो, साउथ इंडिया में जाके क्या तुम लोग साउथ इंडिया के भी ले लो XYZ, केरला गए कहीं भी गए, तुम लोग वहां से फुलकारी खरीद के लाओगे? क्यों? पंजाब में ज्यादा अच्छी बनती है, पंजाब की स्पेशलिटी है, राइट। सो मींस फुलकारी इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग व्हाट? पंजाब, अ ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया, दैट इज व्हाट योर ज्योग्राफिकल इंडिकेशंस इज. So that again is protected within intellectual property as GI. India currently is fighting for basmati rice to get a GI. GI means that you have a tag over it and other people from other regions they cannot utilize it. Most of the GIs that we have, one is on cheese. Cheese कहाँ की speciality है? Italy, right? So most of the geographical indications that we have is on spirits, alcoholic beverages, beer पे, whiskey पे, scotch पे, beer, whiskey, scotch and your certain cheeses. These are the ones which have maximum of geographical indications, right? And again this area is one of the aspects that is covered within your intellectual property. Trade secret we are done with. New protection of new plant variety. Who all belong to agricultural field? खेती कुती करता है कोई? कोई जानकार कोई करता हो? कोई भी नहीं? This what we are talking about here is new plant variety is. We have PAU here in Ludhiana. What do they do? Plants, they do research on plants, they generate new variety. गेहूं जब लगाते हैं तो गेहूं की क्या सिर्फ एक ही वैरायटी आती है और जब खरीदने भी जाते हो 10 तरह की वैरायटीज आती हैं. That is what is covered within your protection of new plant variety. So if being a farmer or being a person who's doing research in developing, वो जो pruning करते हैं एक प्लांट में घुसा के नया प्लांट निकाल लिया, देखते हो ना वीडियोस रील्स आती हैं, वो शो करते हैं कि इस प्लांट को मिक्स किया, इसको मिक्स किया, ये नए तरह का प्लांट आ गया. That is what all is covered within your new plant variety. So there also you have protection that if you are creating, generating something, then again you would be covered within all of that. सर आगे करना है, थोड़ी फोटोग्राफ दिखा देते हैं, वो सेम जो है आगे करना, वीडियो फोटोग्राफ्स पे आएगा. Utility patent, the ones that you are using on your mobile phones, these are known as utility patents. Utility means that it has some value, right? This is how your patent application would look like. So the mobile phone that you have, if you try to have a patent over it, this is how your application would look like. Though ये represent कर रहा है plant patent पे, but this is how your patent application would look like. If you have created something and you want to protect it, then you would number everything. पंखा है, पंखे में मोटर लगाई है, पंखे में मोटर कहाँ लगाई है, उसका यूज क्या है, कहाँ से कैसे चल रही है, क्या हो रहा है, एवरीथिंग वुड बी स्पेसिफाइड एंड यू आर गोइंग टू गिव अ डायग्राम एंड अ पिक्चर ऑफ इट. दिस इज अ डिजाइन पैटर्न. वो गुडरियां आती थी पुराने टाइम में, छोटे बच्चे को लेकर रिड़ते होते थे. Have you heard about, there was this another cycle, मैं नाम भूल गई, जब पढ़ोगे आईपीआर जब डिटेल में पढ़ोगी तब बताऊंगी. So this is a design pattern. You've created a different type of a design. You can have a design pattern over it. सर आगे करना, आगे करना. So now here, which bottle is it? Coca-Cola. So this is called a trade dress. This whole design of the bottle, this is called a trade dress. This is covered within trademarks, right? So one of certain of the brands that you are talking about, they have everything within it. Its name, logo type, एक swoosh कहीं पे लगाओ आपको पता चला दे that it is Nike. So it is a logo also that you can get it protected. Then symbol, McDonald's. So this is what I was talking about. Representing saggy breast of a feeding female. Right, that's what it meant. And then I'm loving it. This slogan again is protected. Dash बुझाए सिर्फ प्यास बाकी और बकवास. क्या आता है आगे? Sprite, है ना? उनका लोगो है. एयरटेल की स्पेशल ट्यून थी 3 इडियट्स में. उनको बताने की जरूरत नहीं थी, एयरटेल है, सबको पता चल गया था एयरटेल है. Right? So all of that is covered within your trademarks. That your business is represented by something. Then again, orange is a color, but it is also a company. So even by the color you get to know कि ये किसका representing है. And you would see if a logo is written over a logo, it is written TM, it means a trademark. वो register नहीं है. उन्होंने government के पास register नहीं कराया. अगर ये R लिखा हुआ है, this means it is registered. And it simply would mean that if someone is using it, अगर कोई और आपकी परमिशन के बिना ये आई एम लविंग इट लिख रहा है और आपका लोगो रजिस्टर्ड है, देन इट इज इजी फॉर यू टू सू दैट पर्सन एंड प्रूव कि ये मेरा लोगो है, इसका नहीं है जो यूज कर रहा है. दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस देयर. सर आगे बढ़ना. अगेन रैपर, कलर, इट हैज ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ ट्रेडमार्क्स दैट यू हैव. लोगो, योर प्रोडक्ट, कैडबरी, रैपर, पर्पल कलर, और ये जो कॉम्बिनेशन है आपका व्हाइट का और पर्पल का, दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रेडमार्क. यू कैन प्रोटेक्ट इट. नो वन एल्स विद इन द सेम ब्रांड कैन यूज दिस कलर. और जिस हिसाब से इन्होंने डेयरी मिल्क लिखा हुआ है, अगेन दिस फॉन्ट एंड दीज स्पेलिंग्स दे आर प्रोटेक्टेड. राइट? सो ट्रेडमार्क इंक्लूड्स ऑल ऑफ दिस. सर आगे बताओ. Again, trademark, the logo and the name, right? These are all trademarks. You can name anything. अब मुझे आपको बिना नीचे Mercedes Benz लिखे, you can simply from this logo say that this is Mercedes Benz. If there are 4 rings joined together, you can simply say that this is Audi. No one has to come and tell you. So that's what your trademark is. That your mark, your color combination itself is telling people कि ये वाला ब्रांड है. किसी आपको आके बताने की, अपने आप को बेचने की जरूरत नहीं है. That's all what is your trademark, right? Copyright देखो सर, इसमें कुछ है एग्जांपल. समझ आ गया what all intellectual property is about? Now coming to the point that why in the first place we are having this discussion. Number one, it is to tell you about that even in your daily lives, अगर आप ये बोलते हो well we've got absolutely nothing to do with IPR, you guys are wrong. You've seen it. At every point we are dealing with IPR. It's just कि हम लोगों को नहीं पता चलता. Now whenever I'm a IPR person, right? Whenever I go anywhere, मैं हर जगह पे IPR ढूंढती हूँ. यहाँ पे ये ट्रेडमार्क लग गया है, ये कॉपीराइट आ गया है, यहाँ पे इसकी वायलेशन है, यहाँ पे इसकी वायलेशन है. So this is how my perspective becomes. यहाँ पे this is how it goes. Second important thing is whenever in your life you are dealing with anything. For example, if I tell you that all of you have to write an article, ठीक है, एक आर्टिकल लिखो, एक रिसर्च पेपर लिखो, आप बोलोगे मैम मैंने गूगल किया, चैट जीपीटी सुना है सबने? Yes or no? Chat GPT? All of you heard about it? Chat GPT is creating and sort of you can say if you pick up the stuff from Chat GPT and you put it as such within any of the platforms, you are plagiarizing, you are violating copyright there. Fine? Meaning thereby that whenever you are creating anything, even if you guys are writing books, you are writing research articles, you are dealing with intellectual property. So people who are just doing copy paste, that is violation of intellectual property. So in case if any one of you goes ahead and you guys develop something, you have to keep in mind all of these scenarios, whether it is your publishing a book, writing research articles, starting up your own business. If you are starting up your own shop as well, तो शॉप भी जब बना रहे हो अपनी, ऐसे ही रैंडमली कोई भी ये कंपनी का नाम अच्छा लग रहा है मैं रख लेता हूँ, नहीं कर सकते. There was I know one of this hotels here, they named themselves as Marriott. JW Marriott is a big chain, right? Immediately they got a notice from JW Marriott people that you are violating our trademark without listening to us, you are using the same. All of you have heard about Starbucks? There was this chain in New Delhi, जिन्होंने कॉफी खोली, कॉफी शॉप, और कॉफी शॉप पे what they kept their coffee shop's name was Sardar Baksh, right? Their logo was same as of Starbucks. Now they had to shut down that logo and that name. They had to rename themselves because that was a violation of trademarks. तब तक Starbucks was not even here in India, right? That is what all is major points about your intellectual property, that within your daily lives you are dealing with intellectual property, and whenever you go ahead with anything, so कोई अपनी जाके दुकान खोलेगा, अपना बिजनेस शुरू करेगा, remember to keep a name which is not similar to any of the trademarks. ठीक है? That's